Scrum Masters, like how he is going to coordinate between the product owner and the development, what are his roles, everything they will be explaining you. Okay.
Yeah,
So just go through the notes here.
sure.
Done. Done.
Yeah,
Done.
yeah, it's done.
Done.
Okay, so this is all about our module number 3, that is methods and models. So we have completed our module number 3, and today I am going to forward you yesterday's recording video and today's recording video along with notes. So go through the notes once, and if you have any doubts, you can put those doubts in front of me tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to start our module number 4, which is very important one. So we will be seeing 6 knowledge areas in that module. Okay.
Okay,
So tomorrow we are going to meet at the same time.
Okay,
sure.
Nikhil.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Madhuri, and thank you, Shatabdi.
Thank you,
Bye,
Nikhil.
Nikki.
Bye.
Thanks. Yeah.